Hello viewers, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace the wheel brakes on this 2021 Ford Explorer. To do this we need the skin tool to put the vehicle in maintenance mode. I'm using the Altair MS906 BT. I'm putting it in service mode. There is a hot function where you can go in there and put the vehicle in maintenance mode, and he's going to wind back the caliper piston so you can compress it. Alright, you're gonna hear beeping noise in the cabin when that's going on and the light flashing also. That's the process of going to the maintenance mode. And when it's done, it tells you it's in maintenance mode, and you press OK, shut off the vehicle, and get to work. Now, as you can see, I'm compressing the caliper with a screwdriver here. There it is. Now you see the caliper can move freely, and we're gonna use a 10mm socket and a 17mm to hold the back of the caliper bolt at the same time so it doesn't spin. Okay, and now we're gonna put the caliper on the side. Good. And we're gonna remove the old pad. They put it stuck. I'm using a screwdriver for this. And now I'm gonna remove the caliper bracket bolt. It is 18mm. I'm using a wrench to break it free. There you go. Now we got the bracket out, and we're gonna remove the old rotor. Use a hammer to pop it off. And we're gonna inspect our slider pin here and make sure we take out the old hardware and clean up the caliper bracket and the brake rotor, the hub also. Make sure you wear eye protection before you do this. You're gonna do the same thing for the bracket here. You can use a wire brush if you do not have a die grinder. Good. Now we're gonna grease our slider pin. And now we're gonna clean the new rotor, take the rust protection off. You can use soap and water as well if you do not have brake cleaner. And we're gonna install the new hardware to the caliper bracket. Make sure you watch the orientation. That only goes in one way. You really can screw that up, only going one way. And now we're gonna reinstall our bracket and run the bolt screw. Those bolts are pretty tight. Good. And now we're gonna put a little bit of grease on the brake pad on the top, and put the brake pad. There is an inner and outer. It's gonna mark on the brake pad, and put it at an angle so it can slide in the caliper bracket in the spring. There it is. Can be a bit challenging with one hand, and we're gonna put it in the back and put a bit of grease on the back of the pad. And now we're gonna install a caliper. Once again, use a 17mm wrench and tie the 10mm bolt. That's it. Keep watching the video to show you how to get it out of service mode. You turn the vehicle back on, and you just go and exit the service mode so the vehicle will be safe to drive. Make sure you pump your brake pedal before you go for your first drive. Always pump your brake pedal, and you'll be good to go. Like always, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.